Hi everyone, merhaba, this is Ayşenur Altan. I have an easy and delicious dinner menu for you, my friends. Never fail mincemeat mashed potato dish. I gave this name because of the ingredients. Minced meat flavored with onions, peppers and tomatoes, topped on mashed potatoes and finished with shredded cheese before going to the oven. It's a dish that everyone would love, so let's make it. Here I have my potatoes. I cut them in cubes after peeling and boiling in salty hot water. I have about 1.5 cups of cooked peas, 2 tomatoes, couple of green peppers in different kinds, 1 onion, 1 red pepper and 300 grams ground beef. While my potatoes are cooking, I'm gonna make the minced meat topping. First, I will saute my onion in about 4 tablespoons olive oil. And I have these green village peppers, we call in Turkish köy biberi. You can use any different kinds. And going to add 1 sweet red pepper as well. And 3 cloves of garlic. I begin to have some color on my onions, so I can add the minced meat and cook until it turns to brown color. My meat doesn't have much oil, so I wanted to add a bit more. And now I can add the garlic and the peppers and continue to saute. Since it's the season, I'm gonna add 2 ripened tomatoes, peeling the skin. Just roughly going to chop it into small cubes. Make sure the peppers are soft enough before you add the tomatoes. And I'm gonna season it with some salt and black pepper and some hot paprika to give some spiciness. My tomatoes are not that much red, so to give some extra flavor and color, I added some mix of tomato and red pepper paste. Meanwhile, I'm gonna make my potato puree. I usually use my stand mixer for it. It's the easiest method. I added about teaspoon leveled salt and 2 tablespoon butter. After mixing, processing for about 1 minute, I added some whole milk and continue to whisk. You can also use potato masher. It would be the same. My tomato red pepper paste mixture is cooked well, so I'm mixing everything again. And here goes the cooked peas. And going to cook for about 5 more minutes until the flavors combine. To my potatoes, I wanted to add some turmeric to give extra color and some more deeper taste. And I'm ready to transfer it to my baking pan. My second top layer is done too. It smells yummy. It reminds me one of the popular dish on my channel, the spinach mushroom casserole. It's really delicious. Another dish you can make. Just check the links if you are interested. I'm gonna add some shredded Kaşar cheese over it. You can use mozzarella or similar kinds. And it's ready to bake in a 200 or 180 Celsius degree oven for about 20-25 minutes until the top is nicely golden color. As a side dish, I'm making rice pilav with orzo pasta, şehriyeli pilav. It's our favorite at home. It's very simple, comes out very fluffy. I have the detailed recipe on my channel as well. Just check the links to get the recipe. But at least let me give you one small hint for making fluffy pilav. After it is cooked, rest it for 5 minutes and then gently fold and rest for another 10 minutes to make it extra fluffy. And here is our minced meat with peas and mashed potato, nicely cooked right from the oven. It was the first time making it. We really loved it. I would definitely recommend you to try. It's very easy and delicious. If you try, you can share your photos with me from my Instagram account. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in another delicious Turkish food recipes and travel vlogs. Afiyet olsun.